Hello and welcome, it's Chili Cube here. I'm doing a little, what I think should be a simple little piece, but it's very effective for a little wall art or to gift. I just find these canvases a perfect size to gift instead of a greetings card, and they're also lovely if you put them together. You sort of do the same colours and you can put 2 or 3 or even 4 together. They're a really nice little piece of wall art decor that you can do. So this is just a simply using up some paints. I've got white in there and I put the very dark teal, I think it's called dark sea. So I'm doing a different background. As you can see, these were 2 canvases that I'd previously had a go at something else but didn't like, so I'm just reusing the canvas while the paint is still wet, and I'm going to pour, as you see, directly over what is on there. They dried perfectly fine, so it definitely was acceptable to do that. I love doing backgrounds on the canvas before I then start on the main feature of the canvas. So this was just doing that cute little ring pour, which is pretty simple for anyone to do with the fluid art. As I've said before, if you're new to my channel and you don't know how to mix your acrylic paints to make them fluid, in the drop down box underneath this video in description, there's links there to beginners videos and different links, even the Amazon link for all the items you'll need for acrylic painting. So it is all there. As I said, it's like a little drop down box underneath the video in this description. So I'm going to do 2 canvases, similar colours, but they turn out very different. But I certainly do like these backgrounds, and it gives you a few techniques to practice as well instead of just doing one technique. I know somebody said that they like the very minimalistic, soft and demure-ness of just that ring pour. You can very well leave it on its own. You don't have to do anything else to it. But as often I do my pieces as a bit of art therapy to get in my art room and just have a nice relaxing time doing something that I enjoy. So I hope you enjoy these too.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you...
Now I'll add my colours in puddles, just 2 puddles on each canvas. As you can see, the backgrounds turned out completely different, which is wonderful because they're the same colours, but it shows you what can be achieved. So I'll do different puddles on each canvas and just see how easy this is to do using, pardon me, just the little straw which you can get. I got mine from a discount shop, and it's got like a silicone bendy end on it. So use the nice colours there, and we'll see what different effects we get.
They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on.
Now you simply, it's a stainless steel straw with like a silicone bendy end. So you're using it the opposite way to what you would use it to drink out of. And I just find that having that bendy end directs the blow exactly where you need it. So these two little separate pieces, they're coming out looking very different, and that's what I love about it. It's just so therapeutic and a really nice pastime. So if you've never considered yourself an artist, you can really learn how to do these quite simply, and I'm sure your friends and family all agree they look pretty nice for a basic artist like myself, and it's a really nice pastime. So I hope you enjoy these. They're coming out beautiful, just love them. That's just using a little skewer there to add some detail. That is a heat wand. I'm just going over it. Bursts any air bubbles that you may have in the paint, and it also helps it absorb into the canvas. And of course, you can leave it exactly as it is. It's your choice. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. My favourite thing to do, and if you follow me, you'll know, is my balloon kisses. There you go. Doing a silly jilly. How lovely it comes out. So it's just showing you that you can repress that balloon, you can re-kiss that balloon on any surface, be it cardstock or another canvas, or there you go, your skin, which is what my little granddaughters love me to do. They love me to use the balloon kiss and put it on their skin like a little washable tattoo. It is non-toxic paint, so it is okay to go on the skin. And yeah, so it sort of changes the whole look of it, really gives that centre a bit of dimension, and it's just therapeutic to do. I really enjoy this process. And there you go. Silly Jilly, I've got my tattoos on my arm, my signature balloon kiss, and that's my two little pieces for today. So I hope you enjoy that. Hope you have a go at these lovely, easy home wall decor arts, and join me again very soon. I will say bye for now, my lovelies. Please take care.